apparently Blake really insisted that we react to this
Fake
immediately.
news!
Itong fake news, itong fake news.
Samantalang siya, kaya Blake, anong oras tayo magkikita? Blake, kailangan ganito. Kay Blake, kailangan, ate, ito pa ang chika. Sabi niya, Blake, I really need na mag-react tayo. Nanlibre baksis.
True.
Hindi siya kakaandar.
Ganyan ang itsura ng isang sinungaling.
Ay, anyway.
Pero wait lang.
Ano?
Harry, i-broadcast mo na, anong tali mo dyan before ka umuwi ng Pilipinas?
One pa din.
One pa din.
So
anyway,
hindi ikaw is the boy who cried. Period.
Walang yaka.
Anyway, we're here in Manila, and Harry, where are you?
I'm down under.
Ayan.
Down under. Yes, kasi yan naman ang favorite position niya. Down under. Anyway, mag-react po kami ngayon sa The Boy Who Cried music video. So it was released like a short while ago lang naman. Hindi kami nagpapahuli, of course. And we owe it to Pablo kasi as bias siya nung may-ari ng channel.
At saka we owe it to Pablo.
At saka hindi. So, at saka in addition, so meaning, totoo nga yung sinasabi ko. Anyway, without further ado,
before ko tapusin yun, we owe it to Pablo. Ay, wala yung joke.
Wala na sis.
We owe it to Pablo. Kapbun ka. Ay.
Oo nga.
Ay.
Tama natin.
And if we can, okay, wala. Kalimutan nyo na. Kalimutan nyo na yung joke na yun. Okay. Hoy.
Okay.
Alam mo, ito talaga. Ay, wait. Ay, sorry. Oh.
Ano tayo?
Sorry. I think, okay, tama. Akala ko yung lyric video.
Ain't nobody telling no said. And because of that, the wolf is going mad. Cause there's nobody willing to understand.
Okay, first, I think
safe na, wala nang teaser. Wala nang spoiler rather.
Oh, wala nang spoiler rather. Just being honest, we saw this already on the Una film.
Yes.
So now it makes sense. It makes sense talaga na after so much discussion between the three of us and some with our subscribers, ito talaga yung Una talaga is somehow connected with The Boy Who Cried Wolf.
Totoo naman. I think hindi naman question yun.
Maybe I should be more like the sheep instead.
Ni Pablo.
Maybe they will listen if inside I'm dead. Maybe all this maybe it's just because I'm scared. Cause the truth is ugly and I'm not prepared.
Ang galing-galing talaga ng batang lalaki in fairness. Siya, out of all dun sa cast, siya yung pinaka, well, aside kay Pablo rather, siya yung na-appreciate ko. Parang, alam mo yun, Giromania in the making.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I agree din naman.
Actually, medyo hawig siya ni Giromanyo.
Medyo. But I can see myself in that kid.
Oh, niyayakap si Pablo, of course.
No, as a curious kid only.
Inong curiosity yan.
Sabi nga, curiosity
kills
the cat.
To face myself and find that I'm the biggest lie of tried to hide. This is getting out of hand. Ang aking mga paan may nanginginig. Naman lang nagkangkang kumilala sa aking tinig.
Ito alam mo syempre, of course, very divisive naman yung naging reaction of the una film. And of course, surprisingly nga, marami nagtataka at saka siguro na-surprise na yung take natin was rather soft pagdating sa una film. It's just that we gave allowance kasi for the artistry that Pablo has. Kasi it's very unfair kasi nang bigla tayong maglapat ng judgment agad eh. Na parang Pablo is the kind of artist na hindi pwedeng what you see is what you get.
Well, ako naman, not to contradict you, ako I actually, I parang the film grew on me naman, in fairness. Kumbaga, sabi ko nga, I like a different take. Kumbaga, I like that it takes you somewhere. Kumbaga, this is my brand when it comes to seeing movies. So, yung una naman for me, parang kahit pa sabihin mo sigurong anong judgment or kung like hindi ako nag-hold back in my defense hindi ako nag-hold back, but I really think for me it was good. For other people hindi ko na naman sila i-judge. Other people actually had a different review. Actually,
sometimes you watch film, a Kathy Garcia Sampana film, sometimes you watch a Love Diaz film. Kumbaga, sometimes you watch a rom-com, and then sometimes you watch an art film. Diba? Ewan ko ha, guys, I think hihimukin ko na rin yung mga kabataan na nawiwiling dun sa mga fast-paced na mga reels. Yung isang buong pelikula pinaiikli sa TikTok or kaya sa YouTube. There was a time in our life na CD at DVD yung pinapanood namin. And meron talaga mga pelikula kami pinapanood na art. Yung art talaga na parang may discussion tayo sa classroom pagdating na parang, uy, napanood yun na ba yung ganito? Napanood yun na ba yung mga ganito?
I think a lot of people are failing to understand that it is a short film.
Yes.
Kumbaga, it won't have the dynamics of that of like a lengthy film that magbibigay sa'yo ng different emotions throughout. This is an art film which is in a short film. This is an art in a short film. So I think you have to look at the angle in order to appreciate it. Kasi siguro, ang common thinking naman talaga ng madlang tao gusto ko makakita ng action, gusto ko makakita ng ups, gusto ko makakita ng downs, which is hindi talaga kayang i-provide yun ng short film. It's a different take, which is, for me, I have an experience, I like a lot of short stories. Thanks, Miss Dries, yung teacher ko nung high school. So exposed ako heavily when it comes to concepts like this. Kaya yun. Ang nagtutuwa pa ako ngayon, well, it's not yet finished, nasi-sync siya sa music. I think, parang feeling ko, alam mo yun, yung music, tas pinalaki siya, ginawang short film, parang ganun yung naging atake niya. So, masterfully done.
How about you, Harry?
Tapusin muna natin. Ang dami yun na nasabi.
Alam mo si Matthew, pinilit mo.
Mga matay, tumatagas pa rin aking damdamin at sa may baybayin, umaapaw na ang aking galit sa mundo. Pagsamo ko'y pakinggan niya.
Alam mo, papasa tayo bilang isa sa mga chismosa.
Sa mga chismosa. I think the only criticism that I will say about this film is not casting the three of us.
Yes, I think highly qualified tayo. Tapos isama mo si Nats Pagatpatan. Yun yung mga kinakain natin yung puto pizza ni Ate Nats. Ate Nats, ang sarap naman ito. Hala, Ate Nats, bakit may naglalakad? Ganon sa Ate Nats.
Tapos ako yung sisigaw na, magnanakaw!
Oo.
Ganon.
Magnanakaw ng puso ko. Tapos dala-dala natin yung bigay ni Ate Rocky.
Alin?
Yung give sa atin Ate Rocky ng pagtatag. Sabi ni Ate Rocky, bigay niya. Ate Rocky, tingnan mo, kukunin niya yung puso ni Match.
Ganun.
Parang mas artsy yun. Charot.
Anyway.
I'm just gonna, sabihin nyo na, akusahan nyo na ako ng inaakusahan nyo, pero talagang wala akong bias. I'm just gonna say na, isa sa pinaka-special ng pelikulang ito is yung acting ni Pablo, yung emotion.
Yeah.
Tapusin na natin. Ang dami natin sinasabi. Sabi ko, maikli lang ito
Thank you.
Patawarin mo naman ako. Di ko naman inasahan to. Wala naman akong ibang gusto.
Kahit ako, mahihimatay ako kapag nakita ko si Pablo.
Ate, hindi rin namatay si ate dyan. Namatay talaga.
Natigok talaga siya.
Ate!
Oo, at there, you can comment below. We have a different interpretation kung bakit namatay si nanay, si lola. But okay, let's talk about it.
Babang masisisi, kundi ang sarili. Piniling isang tabi. Marahil nga itinagda na aking masuwi. Malayo lang sa mundo. Ang
I think I saw something.
sakripisyo. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di lang ikaw ang talo. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo. Huwag mong suluin ang mundo. Lagi lang akong nandito. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo.
Favorite part ko talaga to.
Actually. Alam mo, it's a really good image na nag-show ng lahat ng maraming emotion without really saying anything.
Anything.
I mean, it takes talent to do that.
Yeah.
Galing. Well, for those, actually, unahan ko lang.
Sige, mauna ka.
I think I said my piece earlier regarding...
Ang dami niyong sinabi. Ako kayo pa rin ang una.
Hindi, tsikahin ko lang yung for the message. Kasi alam mo, kumbaga Matt Summer TV, hindi naman sa madami siguro, pero there are like new fans of SB19 na biglang napapadaan sa MV natin. They might be unfamiliar with the Una film kung bago sila ha, at napadaan sila sa channel natin. Siguro, just a heads up sa mga bagong fans, this is a movie originally talaga. And it really encapsulates a different story. So baka may mga elements kayong hindi maintindihan. But what we'd like you to focus on is the meaning of the song na nirelay dun sa movie. Tapos ngayon ginawang MV.
Yep.
So I guess that's just it. Go, Harry.
Yeah, ako first, parang nga din doon sa mga bago. For someone na napanood yung movie, this is actually sobrang nakakatuwa ng pakiramdam kasi parang nire-relive namin yung moments dun sa sinihan, and at the same time we were really, if given a chance, we were really begging for a repeat nung una short film. So parang sa mga nakapanood, talagang makita uli itong mga eksenang to, talagang nakakatuwa kasi baka nga may mga na-miss kami before or whatsoever. But just to lang din, tell a story. Yung habang nag-aano kami dito, papasyal dito sa, ang tawag dito? Sa Sydney. Yung tito ko, nagulat siya dun sa kanta. So, dun siya nagulat sa part na nagtagalog. Tapos biglang sinabi niya lang, akala ko English or Hollywood singer. So parang, ganun yung, sobrang kung...
Wait, saan niyo napakinggan yung kanta? Ikaw nagpapatugtog?
Oo, syempre hawak ko yung Spotify nung kotse. So nung biglang tumugtog tong The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Biglang nag-i-English nga, 'di ba sa una nga English. Tapos nung nagtagalog, sabi niya, Pilipino ba yung kumanta niyan? Sabi ko, yes po tito, parang rising stars, individually sila, pero part siya ng famous group. So sabi niya, kala ko international na kanina eh. 'Di ba?
Wow.
Very casual lang yun. Yeah.
Okay. I think this is, for me, I don't know, I'm really contemplating if I will say this, no? Am I going to say this?
Na mahal mo si Pablo?
No!
Ano? Hindi mo mahal si Pablo?
No. I love all of them. I'm just gonna say this, no. If we siguro if hindi eto ha, guys, lalo na dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood nung film. Kung kasi tayo meron aminin natin, napanood na kasi natin siya sa pelikula eh.
Napanood
short
pa siya
film.
ulit, no?
Tas hindi. Don't twist my words, please. I'm just gonna say na napanood na kasi natin siya dun sa block screening natin. Eh. So, somehow, we already knew what was coming. We already knew the feel. Pero para dun sa mga hindi nakapanood dahil nasa abroad, admit it, monumental yung music video.
Actually, yeah.
Tayo kasi, napanood na natin eh. So, may idea na tayo na ganito yung feels, ganito yung emotions na ibinigay ni Pablo. Don't look at the movie. If you look at this music video, it's monumental.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng pagkakaarte and doon mo masasabi na nabigyan ng justice yung The Boy Who Cried Wolf doon sa music video na ito.
Tsaka siguro ako, last take ko ngayon, last take eh. No? Ang pinaka-appreciate ko sa kanya is, music videos where you see the singer sing.
Yeah.
But this one, it directly told you a story without the need na kantahin siya na nakikita. So, siguro, it's I really liked it na parang, okay, yun yung atake niya. It's telling you a story more than, kumbaga, I think the art, mas priority ni Pablo yung art more than the artist, which is actually good na nagustuhan ko siya. Well, anyway, that's it. May mga additional pa ba kayong...
Ako last na lang, ito na lang talaga sasabihin ko, no? I don't want to think I think ako naniniwala lang talaga ako na parang kaya siya talaga ginawang short film sa big screen. Okay. Short film sa big screen, sa silver screen, sa pelikula was because I think Pablo wanted really us to immerse dito sa narrative na ito.
Mm-hmm.
Sa narrative na ito. And alam mo, I would gladly dive into the mind of Pablo. No?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh,
that's it. And thank you very much for tuning into our reaction video. It's short, but I think we've already reviewed the Una short film. So this is just our take on the MV, which a lot of the things, actually most of the things we've seen already. But thank you very much for tuning in. I'm your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is
Matt.
Ikaw panira kasi
ay, sorry. Ulitin mo.
I'm your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is Harry.
And this is Matt.
Bye.
Congrats, Pablo.
Hindi mo lang sabi I love you.
Isa-stop ko na pala.